Today I'm going to be taking you behind the scenes with me to an outdoor newborn photo shoot. It is going to be so beautiful in a garden, private garden, just really stunning location, and I can't wait to have you follow along with me. And if you're someone who is newer to photography or newborn photography specifically, and you're wanting to learn more about newborn photography, I actually have a ton of free resources for you in the description box down below, and the one that I want to really highlight for you, and it's going to be the first one in the description below, is my free posing guide for newborn photo shoots. So you can go through that, learn some new poses for your newborn sessions, and you can take that with you when you draw a blank at your sessions, and it'll help you come up with the next pose. Those are going to be really sweet and fun, and I think you're really going to love those. Okay, so let's go ahead and go on location to this outdoor newborn photo shoot. Okay. Oh, he looks pretty asleep now. With that little hand tucked under there, that's funny. Oh. His hands, yeah. Sorry. Oh, okay. Let's get a good looking and smiling one here. And then Dad, can you take that hand and put it on top of Mom's hand? Yes. Yeah, right, just right there is perfect. Yep. Oh, yeah. And let's just have you guys looking right here and smiling. Yes, and resting your heads on each other. Oh, yeah. And looking down at him just with your eyelashes, keeping your chins up towards each other. Yeah. Yep, that's okay. Sorry. No, we can just like take it out at the last minute if we need to. Get a couple good shots and then put it back in. All right, whenever you're ready, go ahead and take it out. 1, 2, 3. Yay! And you can put it back in. Yeah. Yeah. Of course, yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay, sounds good. Okay, that's good. Okay, and then Dad, can we get you kissing Mom on the forehead right here?
You mean just do this again?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, sweet.
You're not doing like sauce now, right?
No. And can I get you guys going in nose to nose? And then go ahead and in for a kiss? Oh, hang on. Sorry. Perfect. Yeah. No, that's fine. Those were further away ones. Okay, Dad, can I have you come on this side, and he can be fussy, that's okay. I'm trying to get some photos of like his little toes here. Can you just put your hand on his toes? Yeah.
What's your code?
My birthday.
How are we doing to you?
Hey, baby.
Be the fan, Jordan.
Hey. Hey, pumpkin. Hey, Baba.
I'll just pass you back in.
No, we're okay.
No, take it.
Baba, yes, okay, yeah, take the passy.
I knew he'd like fans. He'd like the house is not cool. Just drop down about 68.
No.
About 68. Cool.
There we go, yeah! Perfect. And can you guys tilt your heads together again? Perfect. Perfect. And then Mom and Dad, can you guys go in nose to nose? Yes. And then, can you come a little bit more to the side of over here? Perfect.
Like,
And then, yeah, turn in towards her, yeah, and then take this hand and put it right up on her. Yes! Perfect. And then lift your chins up slightly, but still kind of look down at him. With just your eyelashes, you might not actually see him. Yes. And then put your heads up together a little bit more. There we go. Yeah. Beautiful. And then Dad, can you kiss Mom on the forehead? Yes.
smell? Try to grab the hair. See, we're not at that face yet.
Oh, 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 oh. That's okay. Oh, goodness.
His cheeks are really red.
Hey, brother.
Sweaty.
Hey, Bunker.
We've got Phantom Passy ready if you need it.
Yeah, let me just. Love it. Yeah, there we go. You get so hot, brother. Maybe the bottle again, maybe?
Okay.
I don't know. He keeps trying to eat his own hand, so.
Okay.
Oh,
That usually means they're hungry.
Are you hungry still? Goodness. Uh-oh, pass it on the ground. We have another one. You're like a little supermodel.
Mm-hmm. Look at that.
He's a little guy. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Okay. This is for Mama too.
Oh, there you go.
Mama's see there. Goodness. Yes, you were hungry. He ate at 9. I know. But that's okay. He said, I don't care.
I'm gonna
It's hard to put them on a schedule yet.
I know. We thought we had it down. We thought we had it like every 3 hours.
Yeah.
And then he was like, nope. All the time.
That's the thing about babies. Once you think you figured it out, you realize you didn't.
Smart mama for bringing those formulas.
Mm-hmm.
I was like, well, we just fed. So
Yeah.
it'll be. And then I was like, well, let's just pack them anyways.
Yeah.
Never hurts to have food. For adults too.
Yeah.
We've got goldfish.
Nice. Oh.
Get those little toes. Really often. It seems here looks darker out here. I know, it does. It's got little waves in it. I think it's
Yeah,
like your
yeah.
dad. It's a little curl. Little waves. Little hobbit in.
There's a difference here right here.
Yeah.
They shifted.
It's a, Jordan called them his little tectonic plates.
Oh.
It is going to work, ain't it?
Yeah.
Oh.
But hang on, it's
Oh, uh-oh.
Oh.
He
Oh,
has
now he
the
looks pretty
strongest,
happy.
the strongest
Oh,
latch ever.
strongest latch, yeah.
Yeah, even the nurses at the
Yeah.
hospital was like,
Oh
they were
my.
like, oh, we can't get her finger back. I'm like, yeah, imagine
Yeah.
how I feel when I nurse him.
That's how my second daughter was. She was crazy.
Yeah. He was like, I mean business.
Yeah. Well, that's good. That's better than getting in trouble with it.
True. He is laser focused.
Yeah.
Okay. No, I don't
Finish
want. I don't. Yeah.
pretty much.
Let me help. Let me try to burp in just a minute, and I won't burp on you.
So nice to have
Here,
the
Michael.
grandparents here. So helpful.
It is very nice.
All right.
She'll get our bill later.
Yeah. They'll send me a bill.
Oh, nice.
Okay, I'm gonna let you keep the air going on him, and I'm gonna try to burp him for a minute. Okay, let's burp. Come on, let's.
If you need anything.
Okay.
Sometimes if you hold him upright, like chest to chest, that can help. And then we can lay him back down and actually give him a second.
He's debating on screaming or yawning.
Hard to tell.
Oh, Leah. There you go. Combined words. I don't know what I'm saying.
Dad, can you put them on the head
Mhm.
right there?
Oh,
What if you bring him up chest to chest, Mom, and put your head kind of, or his head on your shoulder?
like,
But flip him, he's on the side.
hang on.
Yeah.
There, yeah.
So
Oh.
Little guy. Hey. Hey.
He's getting a close up of his little patch.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Oh, his little eyes are open.
Good, and he's beautiful.
He's such a diva.
Hey, man, oh, there he comes. I'm not trying to tell you what to do, but you might want to walk with him. If he starts getting fussy, to kind of lull him a little bit.
Wow. I did.
Can I have Dad take your hand and like hold his little hand? If he'll let you. Oh, goodness, little guy.
Do you want the passy for a minute, Em?
You might be okay.
Okay. Okay.
You might have Dad go ahead and put your arm on Mom's arm. Yeah, perfect. And then yeah, let's look right here and smile for one. Perfect. And then tilting your heads together. Beautiful. And then looking down towards baby. Yes. But chins up a little more. Yeah. And then looking towards each other. Yes. Forehead to forehead. Yes. Beautiful. Okay, and then I think I'm actually going to take us a little farther over this way. Okay. And just do mom with baby, and then come forward a little bit more. Yes, perfect. Yeah, that looks great. Perfect. Oh, gorgeous. Beautiful. A little bit. Perfect. Yes, yes, yes. And then, let me see what it looks like if I turn you this way. Just try that. Yeah. Okay, I think I like this one better. Perfect. And then can you switch hands? Yep. Actually, yeah. Maybe, yeah. Bring this up a little bit more on your head. Yeah. Oh no. I'm sorry, you were comfy. Yes. And then just looking down towards him, but chin up and just eyelashes down. There we go. Is that a yawn? Okay. Are you about to get upset? And then can I have you like bring your nose down? Yeah.
Jordan,
And then one
Maybe
more
dip in
time,
the pool.
yeah.
have you seen the pool? It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's cool. It looks like it's a container maybe.
It's built into the hillside.
Yeah, but they've got like
Facing diagonally this way. I might take him from you for a second, or mom or grandma,
Yeah,
if you feel
sure,
more
Ronnie.
comfortable. But I'll just show you what you're gonna do first. So you're gonna put your elbows together like this, and then hands together like this. His booty's gonna go on your chest, and his hands will go, or his head will go in your hands.
Okay. Oh, goodness.
Sorry, I know you were so comfy. Okay, so go ahead and put your there you go. And then from here, you'll bring him up nose to nose. There, yeah. Oh, yes. That is so beautiful. Oh. Maybe just bounce a little bit. Yeah, there you go. There you go. And then just turn a little bit more this way so I can see his face. Yes. Yeah. And then try to go nose to nose as soon as you can. Yes. Beautiful. And then just maybe thumb a little further. Yes. Those are beautiful nails. I'm glad you had time to go get those done with the baby.
It was a daddy son date.
Turn a little bit more just so I can see his face a little more. Yes. And then get a little closer. There. Yes, yes, yes. And then tilt your face so that your face is pointing a little more this way, but you're still kind of looking down. But bring your nose like this way a little bit. There we go. And then bring it down towards him. Yeah, so I want to see kind of the side of your face.
Okay.
So bring it down even further. Yes, 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 yes. I know. Okay, and then like kind of lay the side of your face with your nose right here. Yes, 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 yes. And bring him up a little bit more towards you. Yes, 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 yes. And then can you like Eskimo kiss him? Yeah. And then go ahead and like actually rub your nose on his nose. Yeah. And give him a kiss on the forehead. Perfect.
That's wonderful.
And then we'll hand him to Dad for some photos.
Good job, Graham. Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Am I doing this little?
Yeah, if you can.
All right.
Well, we're gonna find out.
Okay. Put your elbows together.
Oh, yeah, she'll
Yep.
teach you.
I like to kind of be bounced a little bit. Keep his head up.
There.
White being your mustache. Okay.
Yeah. All right, and then bring him up a little closer to your face. Yeah.
Take care of the stone.
And then can you look right at me? And then just kind of bring him up towards your face a little bit. Yeah! And big smile, perfect. And then go nose to nose with him. Yes! Oh, that's cute! And give him a kiss on the forehead. And one more kiss on the forehead. Yeah.
So now you dead asleep.
This is beautiful.
I know. It looks at me.
I know.
This is your fingers.
My grandmother who passed away, she would love this.
Oh.
She was.
Yeah.
This is she
beautiful.
tried to accomplish this. Never
Wow.
really got totally there.
But she loved like
Loved
kind of the
Yeah.
wild kind of
Yeah.
flowers.
Loves the
look.
perennials and
Yeah,
all this
yeah.
wild. Yeah, loves
Just
it.
so pretty.
Now that he is kind of asleep, I was thinking about going and getting the basket and doing a couple of just him, if that's okay.
Yes. Oh, perfect.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right,
Let's
well,
just. I think that might be his best.
I hope you enjoyed following along with me at this outdoor newborn photo shoot. Now, don't forget to download my free newborn photo shoot posing guide that I have for you. And I also have a ton of other free resources for you down in the description below. And I cannot wait to see you in the next video.